Article 1168. When the obligation consists is not doing, and the obligor does what has been forbidden him, it shall also be undone at his expense. So ang tinutukoy sa Article 1168 is negative personal obligation, also known as yung mga obligation not to do. In obligation not to do, ang obligation ng ating obligor is wag gawin yung bagay na iyon. So kung ginawa niya yung bagay na yun na hindi dapat gawin, kailangan niyang ibalik sa dati at his expense plus damages. Ngayon, kung imposible naman na ibalik sa dati, ang remedy na lang ng ating creditor is to demand damages from the debtor.